This Harcourts Northwest Oregon Realty Group property video is presented by Donna Paradis. Fantastic one-level home with awesome natural lighting. Spacious great room with vaulted ceilings, skylights and gas fireplace. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans and vaulted ceilings. Features: corner pantry, separate laundry room, stainless steel appliances. New, 95% F. Furnace, AC, exterior paint, blinds, range, microwave. Relax on the side yard under the covered patio. Bonuses are garden shed and fenced yard. 1 block to wonderful neighborhood park. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Paradis at 503-851-0998.